Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric identities, and in previous class we take and revise some important question based on trigonometric ratios, and we take and solve some important NCERT previous year board examination questions. Okay, now in that class we also discuss and take away some important trigonometric identities which are coming in your previous examinations, and we simplify them. Okay, prove them. Now let's see. Among them, first of all, we take a very important result questions of which are coming in your previous year board examination. So prove the following identities. The question is, first question is prove the following prove the following identities. And the first part of this question is what? Cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to cosec square theta into sec square theta. Okay, this is your first part of this question, and the second part of this question is stands in square root sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, this is the question. Listen, these are the very important question of your syllabus which are coming in previous exam board examination. Okay, now let's see. Here we prove that the following identities. First of all, we take the first part of this question and simplify it. Let's see. Now we take the first part of this question. Okay, we take first part of this question, which is what? To prove cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to cosec square theta into sec square theta. And for that, proving that identity, first of all we take the left hand side of that question. After that we apply the formula. Let's see. So first of all take LHS. Okay, dear students, take left hand side of the identity, which is what? Cosec square theta plus sec square theta. First of all we convert into the sine and cos. You may know that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So we have 1 upon sin square theta. The same as we know that sec square theta is what? 1 upon cos square theta. So here we write 1 upon cos square theta. Now we take their LCM as both, means what? Sin square theta into cos square theta. Now we taking the LCM of the, after simplifying them, sin square cancel to each other, cos square theta into 1, that is cos square theta plus cos square theta cancel to each other, so we get sin square theta. And dear students, you know that the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we put as what? 1. So that is 1 upon, that is sin square theta into cos square theta. So we can write this 1 upon sin square theta, we take separately into 1 upon cos square theta. Okay, so 1 upon sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we have what? Cosec square theta into sec square theta. Hence prove that result. Okay, dear students, so this is the very important question. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. Now similarly we take and simplify the second part of this question. Okay, let's see. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. We take the LHS, and LHS is what? Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. sec square theta plus cosec square theta. And dear students, we know that the identity as what? Since we know that if 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosec square theta. Okay, dear student, just in previous class we discussed about that identities, means 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is what? Cosec square theta. Okay, dear students. Now, so here we put as the value of sec square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta, and we put as the value of cosec square theta as what? 1 plus cot square theta in that expression. That is, we get what? Let's see, we get as sec square theta we put as what? 1 plus tan square theta plus cosec square theta we put as 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, now let's see, this is, we write as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 what? 2. And also we write 2, we know that tan theta, product of tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. So we write as in this way, we write in this form, this is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta. Okay, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta. Because of the value of tan is 1 upon cot, the cot cancel to each other, so we get 2. So we can write in this way. Now look at this expression. This is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta. Then we can write what? A plus b whole square, means tan theta plus cot theta whole square, na? Okay, now we can write as tan theta plus cot theta whole square. So we take the common from the sides, so we get as what? Tan theta plus cot theta. Hence we proved RHS. Okay, RHS. Thus, dear students, this is the method to solve that type of question. Now we take and solve the some other important trigonometric identities of your syllabus, which are coming in previous year board examination. Let's see. Prove that, we take a question, is very important. Prove that in square root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, this is the question here. We have to show that 1 minus sin theta in square root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So what is the process, dear student, to solve, to prove that type of questions? There is only one process, which is what? Let's see. So in that type of question, we first of all we take left hand side. Let's see. So let's see its solution. First of all, we take left hand side of this question, which is what? In square root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. We take the left hand side of this question. After that, dear students, in all that type of questions, we must be rationalize these values. Means we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator in all that type of questions. Okay, we do their rationalization. Let's see. So we can write as 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, okay, upon this is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. We must be rationalize means we must we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator, that is 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now let's see. So we have what? This is 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. We write 1 minus sin theta what? As whole square, and in denominator this is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So we can write a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square theta. This is 1 minus sin square theta. Now let's see, we also write in this way 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus sin square theta as what? Cos square theta. Now we carry out from the surds because of both values in square. So we write as 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now we can write in this way 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So 1 upon cos is what? Sec theta, and sin upon cos is what? Tan theta. So we write as sec theta minus tan theta. This is your RHS. Hence true. Let's see. This is the RHS, na? So hence true. Okay, different. So all that type of question you can prove in this way. Do rationalize. Okay, now we take and solve some other important question based on that topic. Let's see. Nowadays we take a very important question of your syllabus based on now prove that cosec theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is the question here. We have to show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. For that question we take left hand side. Okay, so now let's simplify them. We take a left hand side of this question, which is what? Cosec theta minus cos theta whole square. Now first of all we convert it into the sin and cos. Okay, so we know that sin theta is cosec theta 1 upon sin theta and cot theta is equal to, so right in this way, since we know that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, now we put all these values in the given identity. Okay, so we write as 1 upon sin theta minus this is cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Now we take the LCM. So if we take LCM, so we get 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. So now we prove the result into the form of cosine, na? So we convert sin square theta as what? 1 minus cos square theta. So we write as 1 minus cos theta whole square upon this is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so we can write as 1 minus cos theta whole square upon a, this is a means a square minus b square. We can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel to each other. Thus we get as 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Hence proof. Okay, teacher. Thus, dear student, this is the process, this is the method to solve that type of questions. Please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, You can solve each and every question of your NCRT exercise based on identities. Now we take and discuss the some other previous year board exam question based on identity. Based on identity. Okay, dear students, let's see. Now we take some other important previous year board examination question. Okay. The question is prove that your question is prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta in another bracket 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Okay, this is the question here. Now let's see what is the process to solve that type of questions. Okay, dear friends, so this is very easy question. So first of all we take left hand side. Okay, now let's see its solution. So first of all we take left hand side of this question, which is what? This is 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is good. Okay, this is we take the LHS. Now in proving that question, so first of all we convert each value into the cos and sine. After that we simplify them. Okay, let's see. Dear student, you know that the value of cot theta is what? The value of cot theta is cos upon sine and the value of tan theta is sine upon cos. So here we apply that formula. So we get as 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus we write cosec theta as 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. In another bracket this is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta and plus 1 upon cos theta right in this way. Okay. Now what I do? Now that's when we take the LCM of their denominator and simplify them. Okay. Now let's see here. We take sin theta as LCM, so we get 1. Sorry, we get sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Now, in another bracket, we take a cos x as LCM. So we get as what? Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Now, what I do? Now let's see, dear students. We just separately write as sin theta cos theta minus 1. Okay, in this way. And in that bracket we write as sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay, and in denominator we write a sin theta into cos theta is what? Sin into cos means sin theta into cos. Now let's look at this. This one in numerator, this is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 and this is sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. So this is the form of a plus b into a minus b, and the value of a is what? Sin theta plus cos theta here, and the value of b is what? 1. So we write as in this way sin theta plus cos theta whole square means a square minus b square means what? 1 square. So we write 1. And in denominator we write what? Sin theta into cos theta. Now we expand the given identity means sin theta cos theta whole square based on a plus b whole square. So this is a square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta plus 2ab means 2 times sin theta into cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Now let's see. We write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So dear student, this is the, now we write as 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 upon what? Sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 cancel to each other. Sin theta, cos theta cancelled. So we get what? 2. This is right hand side. Hence 2. We get as 2, which is the right hand side. Okay. So thus, dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. So this is the very important question which is coming in your previous year board examination question. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important question based on trigonometric identities. Let's see. Now we take the value as, if this is a very important question, if sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1. Let's see its solution. Okay, dear student, this is the question here, and your question is what? If sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, okay, we have to show that cos square theta plus cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1. So now let's see its solution. So since we have what? We have sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That is, we write sin theta is equal to, we transfer sin square theta that side. So we get 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and since we know that if the value of 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. So we write as sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Now what I do? This is, dear student, we prove all the values in cosine. Now we squaring both sides here. Now squaring both sides, we get squaring both sides, we get, so what I get, this is sin square theta is equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Now we can write sin square theta as what? 1 minus cos square theta. No, we can write 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Now minus cos square theta transfer that side, so we get plus cos square theta and plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 is left in that side. Hence proved the given result. Hence proved. Okay, so this is the method to solve. This is the very important question. Okay, short type of question, so please do more and more practices of that type of question. Now we take and solve one more question based on trigonometric identities. Let's see. Let's see, dear students. Now, if the question is, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Prove that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. Is equal to what? Sin theta. This is a very interesting and easy conceptual question. So we have the value of P and we take left hand side of the given result and we put the values of P in that expression and simplify them as we get the result. Let's see. So let's see, first of all we take the left hand side of the question, which is P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. Okay. Now what I do? Now we put the value of P. Okay. So we get, this is sec theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1 upon, this is sec theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. Now we express a plus the whole square, apply a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay, and minus 1 write as it is, same as in denominator. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into a into b and plus 1. Okay. Now let's see. We write this one sec square theta minus 1 take together. We know that since basically you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 transfer that side to sec square theta minus 1 we write as tan square theta. Okay. We write now in this way. Okay. Now in denominator we write this is tan square theta, sec square theta minus 1 we can write what tan square theta, or tan square theta write as it is, and plus 2 tan theta into sec theta, and in denominator this is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta, so sec square theta plus this is value of sec square theta take, and plus 2 tan theta into sec theta write as it is. Okay. Now what I do? Let's see, tan square this is what? 2 tan square theta. This is 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta upon sec square, that is 2 sec square theta and plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Now what I do? We take 2 tan theta as common from the denominator, that is 2 tan theta. So we write as tan theta plus sec theta in numerator, and in denominator we take 2 sec theta as common, so we get sec theta plus tan theta. Now let's see what I get. Let's see here, 2 cancel to each other, sec theta plus tan cancel to each other. Now tan upon sec is left. Now we convert into the sine. We can write sin theta upon cos theta, and in sec theta 1 upon right cos theta. Now let's see, cos cancel to each other, so we get what? Sin theta, hence proved. We get our RHS. Okay dear students, so let's see, this is a very important question of your syllabus, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay dear students, let's see once more time. This is the given value of P, and we have to show that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. So now we put the value of P in the given relations, and after simplify them, okay, we put the values, and after simplify them and using the identity, we get here, we use the identity as 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, or sec square theta minus 1 is equal to this. Okay, and we simplify all the question, and we proved the given result. Okay dear students, so please do more and more practices of that type of question, okay, which is very important question of your syllabus. Okay dear students. Thus dear students, in this way, in today's class we take and solve some important previous year board examination question of your syllabus based on trigonometric identities. So please do more and more practices of all the questions we discuss in that class and complete solve your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on trigonometric identities. Okay dear students. Now thanks to all.